Hi and welcome to Clappia. In this video, we shall understand how to add time selector block to your application. Let us look at an application to understand this better. This is an application for delivery receipts. I'm selecting the name, the contact number, and the date of delivery along with the signature of the customer. Now, here the delivery agent would be collecting these information, and I also need him to make a note of the time at which he delivered the package to the customer. Therefore, I'm going to be adding a time selector block for this particular application. Let us go for Edit App, and I'm going to be adding a field, and you would see time selector under data input blocks. Once I click on it, on the right panel, you would have options to name it. In this case, I'm going to name it as time of delivery. The label itself is self-explanatory, and hence I'm not going to give a description for this particular block. And I can always default this to the current time so that the application will collect the time right away. Also, I can allow the time to be changed by the user after submission. Now, if your application requires, or if your business requires something like that, you can go ahead and do that. As of now, I'm going to disable this option, and I'm going to make this particular block a required field, and the submission would happen only when the time has been selected. Otherwise, the submissions will not go through. Let me quickly go ahead and save it and view the app. There you go. The date of delivery and the time of delivery has been collected automatically. So we can use time selector block for providing current time, the future time, or the past time, and also for attendance system. Or I can also use this for incidence reporting. At times, there is also a need for us to update the time zone. In here, the time delivery block does not give you the option of selecting the time zone. However, you can certainly add a drop-down and go ahead and select a particular time zone, and then the relevant time can be updated. Let me create the drop-down for you. Great. So here I have created a time selector block and also the time zone drop-down. Let us quickly view this app. And now I can select the time zone and also the time appropriate to that particular time zone, right? I have made a submission. Let's quickly view the submissions. And you can see this information about Anthony that I have collected here. The delivery date along with the signature, the time, and the time zone has been mentioned. If you want to, you can always download this information and have a look at it. That's it for this video. In this video, we have understood how to use time selector block, how to include drop down to collect the time zone and also the appropriate time. Thank you very much for your patience. Goodbye.